This year is going to be amazing. I've got a tapas menu for lunch, and then for dinner I've got a beautiful, gorgeous plant-based Wellington, and then I've got the desserts. Pavlova is such a big thing in Australia, and a beautiful pumpkin pie for my American friends. Sorry, but I can't stop eating. Family and friends and hugs and kisses and presents of love. And that's what Christmas is all about, yeah. Oh my God! This year I've created an incredible plant-based feast for you at home. I cannot wait to share this with you. Every single time of the day I'm playing the Christmas music, and it is a joy to celebrate with you at home.